So now we are going to start the analysis part, and here we are going to see how to apply frequency distribution and cross tabulation. And frequency distribution is applicable on the nominal and ordinal data, and frequency distribution is applicable only on one variable, and cross tabulation is applicable on minimum two variables. So let's move to the SPSS, and there we can see how we can do it. Okay, now gender is my nominal variable, education background is also my nominal variable. Go to the analysis part. If you click on the analyze, you can see the different options here, all the analysis you can do in SPSS. So I click on the descriptive analysis first, go to the frequency, and I want to do the frequency distribution of the gender. And you have to decide the chart also, that which chart you can make. And let me go for a bar chart first. You can make one chart at a time, and click on the continue, then click on the OK, and the output will show you the analysis part. Okay, the output is not coming, maybe I did some mistake. Gender of the respondent, chart is the bar chart, and click OK. Now you can see the result. So the answer, the output is showing me that there are 4 male in the group and there are 2 females in the group. So males are 66.7% and females are 33.3%, right? And we can also see the graph. This is the bar chart, male and females in the output. Similarly, let's make some other chart. Frequencies. Now select the chart, pie chart. Okay, and okay. Now you can make the pie chart here. Pie chart is coming, and in the pie chart, the table as well as this is the table. This is the frequency distribution table, and here you can see that male are 66%, female are 33%, and this pie chart where blue indicates the male and the red indicates the female. So similarly, I will show you with another example. I have also this education background as one of the nominal variable, and go to analyze, descriptive, frequency. Now I can also take the education background. So I am taking 2 variables together, and I want to make the chart of histogram, or any chart you can make. So pie charts are more beautiful here. Let's continue with this, and okay. So with respect to the education background, 16% of the respondent are MBA, 50% are MTech, and 33% are MCA, right? Because in the thesis or paper we show the percentage mainly. Percentage is more important, and this is the different charts we can make here. Pie chart, and pie chart of the education background, and pie chart of the gender. So we can make the frequency distribution table. You can see that this is frequency table of the respondents, and we can make the pie chart and the different charts in this way. Let me show you one more, the facility of making the histogram. If you click on the histogram, continue, okay, you can see the same table with the histogram, right? But the problem is that histogram in this case is not applicable. Histogram is applicable normally when you are having continuous data set. So this is known as frequency distribution. Now I'm showing you the another analysis of cross tabulation. Suppose I want to make cross tabulation of the gender and the education background. So I just click on analyze, go to descriptive, and now click on the cross tabulation. If you click on the cross tabulation, you have to decide one variable in the row and second variable in the column, right? And so one variable is in the row, second variable, nominal variable, is in the column, and we can click on the display cluster bar chart, and okay. Now see the result. The result is saying that there are 4 males in the data, 3 are having the education background of MTech, and only 1 is having the education background of MBA. There are 2 females in the data set, and all the 2 females are MCA. And we can see this kind of graph. which is representing that male are more red means MTech, less blue MBA, female are green means MCA. So this table is known as the cross tabulation table, and we can make many more extension of it. Let me show you that some more data set I want to fill here so that we can make a better chart. So let's 20 observations, continue with the 20 observations. Okay, now I want to make the cross tabulation in this, and I want to add one thing here. I want to add data also here so that I can make 3-layer cross tab. So here I want to check how many of them have Apple as preferences, education background, and gender. So click on analyze, descriptive statistics, cross tabulation. Now I am sending the gender to the 3rd layer, education background in the 1st layer, and preference of the Apple as a 2nd. So this is called 3-layer, 3-variable cross tab. Now how to interpret it? Let's see. In this case, we are having the data of male and female. So the variable which is most important should comes here. Education background means there are now 11 males, and we are having 9 female, 11 male, and 9 female. Let's see here. The total is 11. The total female is 9, and 9 female, 5 are okay. 3 are MBA, 6 are MTech, and 2 are MCA. And out of the 3 who are MBA, they have preference on the Apple, and 6 people who are male and have the MTech degree, 2 are having first preference of Apple, 3 are having second preference for Apple, and 1 is having the third preference of Apple. Right. So in total, the out of 11 male, 5 are having first preference for the Apple, 3 are having the second preference, and 3 are having the third preference. So you just see clearly. So how we can study, how we can read the output, and this is the graph. There are different graphs will come. I think one graph come for the male and one graph coming for the female. So this is the male graph. In male, we are having MTech. This one is the first preference for Apple. Means all the MBA have first preference for the Apple. MTech, second preference is high. In MCA, third preference is for Apple. So we can understand the data like this. So this analysis is known as frequency distribution analysis. After this, we can go for the next part. I hope we are having clarity on the frequency distribution. Now,